for my next step, I am going to want to go ahead and try on my shorts just to make sure that they fit how I want them to. Keep in mind though that the bottom is going to be hemmed about about a half of an inch from where it is right now, and then the top will be hemmed about an inch and a quarter from where it is right now. So just try them on. If you need to make adjustments, see the teacher to do that. And then I'm going to start with making the casing for my waistband. So the casing is the part that holds in the waistband. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to iron a 1/4 inch seam all the way around the top. The seam gauges are awesome because you can actually just kind of iron right over them. You can move your little, the little blue thing to the 1/4 inch wherever you need it. And then if you just stick it in the seam, if it meets up, then you know you have your 1/4 inch. So I'm gonna go ahead and just iron that all the way around, making that a 1/4 inch folded seam to the top of my casing. And I'm doing this to the wrong side of my fabric. So the wrong side is the side with the seams ironed open. So that is how I'm folding this in. One thing I'll just note is when you get to the seams that you've already created, you'll want to make sure that your seams are still ironed open when you go to iron that 1/4 inch seam, so that everything stays nice and flat on the inside of your garment. Once I have the 1/4 inch seam, or the 1/4 inch fold ironed down all the way around the top of my waistband, I'm going to go ahead and fold it again. So I'm making a double fold at a 1 inch. And so this is what's going to give me the room to put my elastic through. So I've just moved my seam gauge to 1 inch. And then when I'm sticking it in there, I'm going to go ahead and iron that down. So I have that 1 inch folded here.